Hello, welcome to my vlog, and thank you so much to everyone who have subscribed to my channel. And yes, if you haven't subscribed yet, you can definitely click on the subscribe button for you to be more updated on my future posts. So, as you can see, I have here a product which is called Bamboo Charcoal Tooth Powder. So now, as we all know, ito po yung Dr. Smile. So it can help us whiten teeth, polish teeth, protect teeth, and will help us to have a fresh teeth and remove plaque. So function whitening your teeth and detoxify your mouth without any chemicals. So safe daw po ito. Dr. Smile's food grade 100% pure bamboo shell activated charcoal power with bentonite clay strengthens and polishes tooth enamel with no sensitivity and improves the health of teeth and gums. So here are the ingredients: activate charcoal, vitamin D, citric acids, and sorbitol. So directions, put just ordinary toothpaste. So I have here, okay, magde-demo po talaga tayo ngayon. So ito po, so kahit anong toothpaste po, basta hindi daw po masyadong strong. Okay, so then dump it in the activated charcoal. Okay, so I have here the activated charcoal. Okay, so this is how it looks like. Okay, it's like dinurog na uling or grinded uling. Okay, so then use brush. So this is worth 500 pesos, so I bought two. Here we go. So ang nasa akin, ito po nakabukas lang. Almost 2 months ko na po itong ginagamit, to tell you the truth. And it's 45 grams. Napakarami po niya. Kahit isa lang po ang bilhin niyo, okay na po siya. Okay, so use 2 to 3 times a day for 2 to 3 minutes. Don't brush heavy, then gargle after. So do not swallow. Keep out of reach of children. So wag mong lunukin. So now I'm gonna do a demo po. Ganito po mangyayari. Ito. Okay. So, hindi pa po ganun kaputi ang ngipin ko, to tell you honestly, pero may improvement na po siya. Okay. So, ito na po yun. And ganito. Two to 3 minutes. Wala po siyang lasa. Tapos, wag daw po siyang idiin. Do not brush your teeth heavily. So, 2 to 3 minutes po. Tapos, after niyan, gargle nyo po ng 1 minute. Goodbye! See you! Tapusin ko lang. Bye! Subscribe!